Hey guys, welcome to Motion Travel. My name is Yasuo Hirata. I'm a Japanese videographer living in Tokyo. So today I'll take you to Shibuya to show you how I shoot walking tour videos. It's like behind the scene of this channel. Well, I hope you like it. Let's get going. Alright, here I am. I'm standing right in front of Shibuya Station. As always, I'm going to shoot today's Shibuya walking tour from here. So, here's my plan. I'm going to cross the famous Shibuya crossing, which is right behind me, and we walk through the busy shopping area. And then we walk Miyashita Park. It's a cool rooftop park with a skateboard park and a cafe. And come back here. Before I start shooting, I'd like to introduce the camera I always use. It's DJI Pocket 2. This camera is really small, but it has a gimbal that allows you to shoot very smooth video. And it's very easy to use. All you have to do is turn it on and press the record button like this. All right, I guess I'm ready to shoot. Let's go for a walk. Alright, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.